guys, it's Allie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're doing a mukbang. You can't see any food because it's not here right now. It's downstairs. But I got McDonald's and we're gonna eat. So I'm just gonna like plate it and heat it up because it's kind of cold. And I want to eat hot food. Even though I know that's extra and a half, I don't care. So let's go get the food. Alright y'all, I'm back. I really hope you cannot hear my mom's music in the background because I do not want to get copyrighted. They made the coffee too sweet today. I need to mix it. That's better. My ice cream is like low-key melted, so we're eating it first because it is melted, you know, and I don't want it to get like a liquid. I never like to eat in front of people. Why am I doing this? Bro, I'm so stupid. Whatever. What should I talk about? I'm kind of a messy eater. Was that bad? Maybe I shouldn't have done this video. Ugh. Whatever. No, it's fine. I'm just gonna keep going. I'll be fine. This is a sugar-free vanilla iced coffee. This is a McDouble with bacon added. So good. Should I text my friends and see if they know what I should talk about in this? I'm just calling her.
Hello.
Hi. Can you help me real quick?
Yeah.
I don't know what to talk about in this video I'm filming.
Fine, fine.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what to, or like story times, but like I don't have a story to tell.
You have no stories? Ever?
Well, what's a good story?
I don't know. I just want to see what I got for Christmas. Have you already edited the video?
Yeah.
Then send it to me.
Okay. But it's not on my phone. It's on my computer.
Then get your computer.
Later. Okay, bye. I love you. That wasn't helpful, but it's fine. Should I rate my food? I feel really good about it. Sorry, it takes me longer to eat because I have to like get the food out of my braces at the same time. I also got nuggets and honey. I know it's weird, but like I love it. I have no idea where the fuck I put the napkin. My fries are kind of bad today. That's why we have ketchup. I don't know if I said that already. Otherwise, I just eat them. I'm not gonna try good, by the way. My sundae's turning to liquid. It's fine. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm bad at these kinds of videos because the following I have doesn't allow me to like talk to my followers, you know, subscribers and stuff. Oh my god, I'm stupid. Oh yeah, it's like 2:52 and this is my first meal of the day. Not even like purposely, you know? Like I just knew I wanted to eat donuts today and I didn't care what time. My mom was just like, your brother wants McDonald's. And so we went at the time my brother wanted. Why did I just talk so fucking quiet? I said we went at the time my brother wanted, by the way. Can I just say I got this like deal for nuggets and a Big Mac because my mom wanted a Big Mac and I wanted nuggets and it was a 6-piece nuggets. That's what I paid for and they gave me 4. That was fine because I probably would have only even eaten 4 out of the 6, but still. Let's rate my coffee. Also, I don't get this much food every single time I go to McDonald's, by the way. This is just because I wanted to film a mukbang, you know? It's actually pretty good. McDonald's coffee is really good. I don't know why I'm surprised. Just sometimes they make it really sweet, so you have to ask for half sweet and get sugar free. And then my ratchet ass nails. I'm starting to get full. Not like full, like I can still eat some more, but I found my lash comb that I lost when I was doing my lash lift just now. It's right there. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. I thought it was just gonna be little. What the fuck? I'm kind of full. You know I'm full when I start to slow down. Well, I'm not full. If I'm full, I will stop. It's like I can keep going. I just say I'm full, but I'm not like fully full. I finished my burger and my sundae. This is my 3rd nugget out of 4. Okay, I know I've literally just been eating and y'all probably clicked off, but if you are here, you're a real one, so I love you. Well, I love all of you, but I love you. Anyways, so yeah, if you're still here, comment your McDonald's like go-to meal. And last nugget. I didn't think I would be able to finish that all, to be honest. I look pretty. Why I got a pimple there? Nah, that's ugly as hell. Okay, that's all for this mukbang, I guess, because I'm finished. I'm so full. I kind of feel like I'm gonna explode, but I'm glad I finished because I wanted to for this video. That was the goal. Obviously, I'm not finished my coffee, but I will finish that because I guess I end up playing it all nighter. So, like, I'm gonna eventually finish that, if not now. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry it was kind of a boring video, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, that's okay. You can give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. Bye.
Cool interview. Everything twice, my shooter interview. 10th grade, bought a frame, peel off licks. I can sit